我来看台积电亚利桑那厂当咧赶工课，最近有公开内部画面。因为川普伫咧19个访谈有讲到关税扣关，互晶片的厂商去美国设厂生产。另外，辉达执行长黄日富嘛讲，辉达甲台积电合作已经成功伫咧美国制造出全球上界先进的 AI 晶片。
When I started TSMC, I had a dream to build fabs in the United States, and my dream lives.
对零甲有见证台积电美国亚利桑那州厂一步一步成真。台积电创办人张忠谋讲到美国厂梦想，真内部画面更加震撼的公开。 自动化物流搬运系统用艾斯摩尔级制外光微压设备，进前台积电法人说明会更加讲，要伫美国找第二块地。不过外界烦恼代表晶片回流美国慢慢的成真。
There's no tariff if they make them here. And all those companies are coming back from Taiwan, they're coming back from all over the world because they don't want to have to pay the tariffs because it's so unsustainable that they come and build the pharmaceuticals and the chips and all the things. They're coming into the United States and they're building them.
美国总统19接受专访，搁再讲到台湾晶片，直接讲关税政策为美国吸引达到20兆美金的投资，一大重点就是半导体甲 AI 科技转来美国制造进行。也来回答执行长黄连坤相关讲到台湾，也证实收到晶片回流具体成果。
Yeah, this last week was a historic week. We manufactured the most advanced AI chips in the world. In the most advanced fab in the world, here in America for the first time. All of this started with President Trump wanting to re-industrialize the United States.
黄连坤也讲，未来唔拿台积电也甲富士康、伟创这共同合作创建供应链。不过，晶片回流后续对产业是不是产生长远的影响，国家也真关心注意。记者综合报道。